Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. The power is out here at 911 Studios, but don't worry, I have all the power I need thanks to this. It's a brand new 1200 watt power station that you can charge both with your 110, your car, or even with solar panels. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So what can I tell you about this portable power station? First off, it's super powerful. It's got two USB-C outs, which means you can charge all your phones, your electronic devices. Most things use USB-C nowadays, but there's also two USB-A, so you can use all your peripherals like that, charge a phone, charge your iPhone, your Android, your tablet, etc., etc. Then it's got three 110 outlets. That is great. That means you can run things like these studio lights that I have going right here. That means you can run things like your air fryer. This is a powerful portable power station. Don't let its condensed size fool you. You can run things for hours and hours. I checked my cell phone battery. I can probably recharge it from 60 to 70 times with no problems. And being a resident of Florida, we have blips in the power all day, every day. We've got 10,000 people moving down here, and it's a strain on the power grid. You live out in California, you know what I'm talking about. Well, guess what? 10,000 people every month, I should correct myself. But this is an incredible portable power station that can be charged with solar panels right here in the input. Just run your solar panels, parallel them out, and have that power juice going right in. It's got a beautiful colored display showing the percentage that's left, the wattage in, the wattage out, and on top of all that, it is lightweight and convenient. It's got a rubberized edge here to where if it does hit the floor, it's not going to crack, and that's important. And you know what? It's relatively silent. This is a very silent device that you're not going to be able to hear while you're using, and you don't have to worry about it overheating. Some of those old school power stations, they're loud, they're hot, they've got lead. Nothing. This is lithium ion. It's not like those nickel cadmium batteries. It's not like those lead batteries that aren't going to be taking your charge. Just does it again and again and again. Right technology. OUPES has thought of it all. So folks, if you're looking for a great product, one that you can run just about anything, you can run your cooking plate, your heating plate, and anything with heat, that drains a lot of power. This can do it. This is impressive. This is a powerful device that's built for everyday use for you and me. So when you have a hurricane like me in Florida, you have a brownout like they're having out in California, tornadoes like they had in Oklahoma. Did you know in 1999, there was a tornado that put a 38-mile path of destruction, taking out the electric grid for miles? If people had this, they wouldn't have to worry about it. All right, folks, use the power of the sun, use the power of your car or a standard 110 to plug this in. This thing is great. You can even start a car with it if you want. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. Portable power station, outdoor power station with family-style design. Very nice. It's great for whether it's fans, refrigerators, laptops, barbecues, cameras, photography, lights, drills, power tools, or your phone. It does have the option for solar charging. You can pick up a couple solar panels with it or attach your own solar panels to the input. That's fantastic. Get those big 100 watts as well. This is a beautiful design, lightweight and powerful. DCI-P is 12 to 30 volts, 200 watt max. 2 DC, the car output is 10 volt, 10 amp. You got a USB-A times 2 and a USB-C times 2. So let's go ahead and check it out. Moving this aside. All right, folks, let me tell you a few more things about this power station. With a 1200 watt output and a 992 watt hour capacity, that means you can power things like phones and coffee makers and even fridgers. It's great for outdoors as a backup power generator for your home's needs. It's that LiFePO4 battery and BMS. It's much safer, more stable battery, is designed to retain 80% at 2,500 plus charges. The BMS battery management system has voltage overprotection, over current, overheat protection. It adjusts to the charging voltage and speed to suit the device's needs. It has 10 versatile ports. That means it can work with 10 devices simultaneously. 3 1200-watt AC outlets, USB, Type-C. This can charge a CPAP drone, smartphone, mini fridge, TV protectors, lights, and provide pass-through charging. It also has 3 ways to receive a recharge. Now you can easily recharge with AC, solar panels, or car outlets. On top of all that, it has a 24-month warranty. It comes with all the cables you need, the AC adapter, the warranty card, the user manual, etc., etc. So go ahead and pick up this fantastic product and use the code 911reviews below for 10% off everything but the 2400 series.